the cart. How it is possible? Yesterday we discussed about this one. I will give you the brief explanation and brief revision once again. Right now, product detail is expecting what service, sir? Cart service. So that is why observe this dot cart service dot add product means right now what is our intention, sir? If I click on this one, that is nothing but add this product to the cart. Add this product to the cart. That is why what is one, sir? This dot cart service dot add product. And what are the details I need to pass, sir? The current product as well as what, sir? How much quantity? One. So right now let us go to the cart service. Now in this cart service, what is the method we are having? Add to cart. What is the method we are having? Add to cart. So internally we are adding to the cart, and this information we need to give to the what component? App component. This information we need to give to what component? App component, so that this detail will be available here. This detail will be available here. So right now we are adding to the service as well as we are doing what, sir? We need to update on the UI. So how to get this automatic update, sir? What is the service we are having? Cart service. What is the service we are having? Cart service. That is why I create one simple subject. What is one, sir? Publish, and I am sending the latest cart information to the all the registered registered components. So right now what component is registered, sir? App component. What is the code I am doing? This dot cs dot get cart. On this one, subscribe. Any new data is available, store it into the current cart. So right now from from your product detail component to the app component, we are getting the data directly or no? Through by using what service, sir? By using what service right now sharing the data? Guys, what is the service? So this is the one. Very good, guys. What is the one we are having? This is my product detail component. Now from the product detail component, I am calling what is a function? To cart. So right now this is my cart service. This is my cart service. Now I am clicking on this one. Now automatically this will come to what's a service. Now what is the job of the cart service? Send the latest cart information to all of them who are registered. So right now this data will come to what component now? The latest cart information. What is the component, sir? App component. So this is the way the data flow will happen. Right now, who is synchronizing the data between the product detail and app components, sir? Who is synchronizing the detail? Who is sending the detail from product detail to app component? Cart service. That is the importance of the cart service. This is act as a what? Data sharing service. What data it is sharing, sir? You already know. Let me show you that. What data it is sharing? The latest cart information. This is the area I am storing my application data. So whenever what is the one a product is added or removed or changing the quantity, we are modifying our cart. We are modifying our cart. So this is the way we are configuring our cart service. This is the way we are configuring our cart service. The next step, sir, I want to see what are the items in the cart. I want to see what are the items in the cart. Let me show you. App component.html. In the app component.html, I click on the button. On click, what is the function I am calling? Display cart. What is function I am calling? Display cart. So observe, In the display cart, what is the one we are doing? This dot router dot navigate redirect to what page? Display cart. So right now I am having one UI. Okay, that's good. Okay, let us go to the cart. What is the route, sir? You can observe display cart. What is the one we are having? Cart component. Now let us go to the cart component. What I am doing here. So right now, get the latest cart data, get the latest cart data and go to here, and I am displaying the cart information. I'm displaying the cart information. So let us see this one. Okay, that's good. Right now we are seeing the content. Let us go there. Cart component. Now observe what are the things we are configuring. Cart.total. When I want to display this one, in the cart, if you have the items, in the cart, if you have the items length greater than 0, means in the cart items are there. Now what is the next one? Cart.total. What is the one, sir? Cart.total. And what is the one we are doing? It is nothing but INR. We are displaying the cart total monies. And in the same way, we want to display the data. Here you can observe what is the one, sir? Item. For every item in the cart, what is the first one? Cart dot product dot image URL. Cart to product dot image URL. What is the next one, sir? Cart to product dot price, and what is the format, sir? Currency INR. And in the same way, amount, total amount, sir. Price as well as what's quantity. Quantity will be normal value, and we are displaying. What is the next one, sir? Cart dot product amount dot currency, and as well as what is one, sir? Date button. So right now, this is the way we are displaying for each and every item in the cart. We are displaying some information here. So see here, if I click on this one, we are displaying the image related one. Yes, it is a little bit slow. That's fine. So right now, this is the details. Sir, let me show you with the data. This is the first one we are displaying, sir. Image URL. What is the next one we are displaying? Name. And the next one we are displaying what's the price and quantity. So right now, whenever you do this one, sir, it is nothing but we need to call what is the functionality we are doing, sir? Change quantity. What is the functionality we are calling? Change quantity. Let us go to the cart component. Observe here, quantity reference value we are having, and what is the answer? Value, the current text box value, this dot cs dot, what is the next one? Change quantity, cart service dot again. So right now user have the flexibility to change the value. Now observe, if I do change here, what I need to do, sir? I need to modify in the quantity, means in the cart component, as well as I need to modify our original data so that your app component will get the reference here. So right now, how many items are there, sir? One item, but actually how many pieces? The category is what, sir? Washing machine. But right now I am ordering what, sir? 7 washing machines. So that is what changing the quantity, and this can happen in your shopping cart, the main display page, cart display page. So this one we are going to configure. So right now for three components, what is another component we are having? This one we call it as what's a cart display component. So for three components, sharing the data together by using only one service. What is the service we are having, sir? Cart service. So right now for your entire project, what is the heart of your application, sir? Cart service. And in the same way, session service also. Do you agree with this statement? For the entire application, cart service is the heart, because it is providing the data. It is providing the data to the all the people or all the components which are participating in the cart related functionality. So right now for displaying the cart, what is the component we are having? Cart display. In this one we can add the component and we can remove the component. Right now observe, I delete. See, sir, you can see the real-time update in your cart related app component or not. So go to your app component, go to your app component. What is the one it is displaying? Cart dot products dot, what is the one? Length is empty. So right now whenever there is a change in the service, whenever there is a change in the cart data, what exactly it is doing? Right now what we did, sir, remove product. Right now I removed the product by using some calculation, by using the splice and remove from the internal array, object array. What is the code, sir? Send this data to the all the services. So right now cart display change the cart data. What will happen, sir? This data will automatically come to whom, sir? App component. In the app component, how it is coming? Very simple. Go to the app component. You can observe app component.ts. What is the one? We registered for any updates. Means do we subscribe? We subscribed for what, sir? Any updates for the cart related information or not? So any change in the cart, automatically it will come here. Now your cart will be updated. Right now cart have no records. That is why what is the one it's going to happen? Whenever cart app component.html, what is the code, sir? This dot cart dot products dot length equal to 0. That is a true statement. That is why what exactly it is displaying? It is empty. Cart is empty. Cart is empty. So this is the one I am displaying to the user. And in the same way, let us go to the login. It should be persistent, but right now it is a refresh, sir. It will go. It will go. If you want to persist, you need to store it into the server related one. Satish, you understand, right? If you refresh, what will happen? All the card data will be gone. All the card data will be gone. If you want persistent related one, we need to transfer this data to what program? Server program. So in the server program, store this one. But for this level, I guess it is the easiest way of implementation. Again, I'm telling, can you develop, means not for you Satish, for everyone, can we develop Flipkart in 5 days or 10 days? No, it is not at all possible. Now, sir, one project is good for learning because it provides what, sir? All the activities. Sir, what are the activities? Sign in, login process, registration process, as well as what, sir? Display process and control, access control permissions in our web application or not. That is why this project is good for what's a learning. This project is good for learning. Do you agree with the statement? Means how to implement the session, how to implement the security. These kind of basic questions, these kind of good questions will be answered by practicing this example or this example project. So that is why this class, this one is sure. So right now everything is ready. Let us go to the add to cart. Now go here. I do what, sir? Checkout. Now let me explain about the checkout related page. Now tell me the checkout. User need to enter. User need to enter. What are the details, sir? His details. User need to his details. What are the details I am expecting, sir? Username, password, username, delivery address, and as well as what's our phone number, as well as a email. And in the same way, we need to display what's the cart details also. We display what's cart details also. Let me show you. Once I do the checkout, what is the one we are doing? This dot cart service dot what is the one? Get cart data. So right now, for even checkout also, we need to know about what's the cart information. And in the same way, we need to send what's we need to get the user data. We need to get the user data. Now everything is ready. Now observe, I click on what's confirm order. I click on what's confirm order. At the time it will call what function? Confirm function. Now what I need to do? So this is what, let us discuss about this one. Now user clicks on what's confirm order. All your order details will go to what program? Server program. Server program store in the database, and it will generate what's order ID. Server program will generate what's order ID. This order ID will come to your client program. Client program now redirect to what web page, sir? The payment gateway integration page. This is what will happen when you are integrating with the payment gateway. Now I will ask one question. Why I need to integrate with payment gateway? Why I should not write this code? For accepting the payments, do we need to write our own code or we need to use the payment gateway, sir? Which one is easy? If it is payment gateway, why, sir? Yes, most of you good, very good. Why? Why? Why payment gateway? Very good. Standard one. Less code. Very good, Nagendra. Very good, Ready. Doraya, security, performance. Okay. I will say time, sir. Do you agree with that? I will say time. Time and functionality. Time is money or not? In the software world, what is the answer? Time is money. Suppose if you want to write your own payment system, it will take, it is another big application or not? It is another big application, and we need to test the application. It will be a big project. Yes, buddy, it is a very big project. And again, not only writing the code, again we need to test all the scenarios or not? Tell me, do you have the such time to develop a simple web application to accept the payments? No, sir. Company never invest if it won't return, sir. On anything, it won't return anything. So it is nothing but company always look for sir profits. When you will get the profits? When you develop a web application with less number of bugs and on time release. Very, very important one, sir. Delivery dates are very, very important. Delivery dates are very, very important. If you don't give the product within the time, you need to pay to the customer. That kind of agreements are there, sir. We call this one as SLA. We call this one as what, sir? SLA, service level agreement. There are some certain agreements between client and the company. If you don't deliver the project within certain time, you need to pay to the company. You need to pay to the company. These kind of agreements are there. If you don't deliver, or if you have any bug is reported and we are going to give them as a service, it is nothing but we are going to resolve the bug within the specified time. Those kind of thing. So now we are asking, sir, how to do this one? Very simple. If you want to integrate any payment gateway system, first step is what, sir? Go to the payment gateway website and register. What is the first step you do, sir? Go to the payment gateway website and register. Now let me show you. So I registered with the Razor Pay. I registered with the Razor Pay. Now observe, when I registered, I guess it is very long time back. Now you can see, when you register, you are a merchant. You want to sell the goods online. You want to sell the goods online. That is why every merchant have what's a unique ID. Every merchant have what's a unique ID. Do you agree with this one, sir? For the payment gateway, how many merchants can exist, sir? One merchant or many, sir? For the payment gateway, one merchant is there or many merchants are there? So many merchants are there. So to uniquely identify this one, we will have what's a merchant ID. This is what very, very important. It is a unique one. It is a unique one. Now, okay, second point. Once you register, it will generate the merchant ID. Next one. Now observe, for the payment gateway system, what is the data I need to transfer? Very simple. The unique ID, as well as there are In payment gateway system, there are two kinds of modes are there. Now observe what are the modes we are having, sir. Test mode as well as what's sir, live mode. Test version as well as live version. When you are developing, what you will use, sir? When you are developing, what you will use? Test version. When you are using live version, you will use what's a live. That is why there are separate unique IDs are provided. These unique IDs we call it as what's are keys. So right now let me show you. Observe what is the one is a test mode as well as what's a live mode. So right now I am in the test mode. I click on the settings. Now observe, go to the API keys. So this is the unique. This is the unique for what purpose, sir? Testing purpose. This is a unique key for what purpose? Testing purpose. I will send in each and every transaction, in each and every transaction, or in each and every payment. The same way you can see here. What is a live one? This is what I will use in the production. In the development, we will use what mode, sir? In the development, we will use what mode? Test mode. In the production, we will use what mode, sir? Live mode. There are separate keys are there, and we will use this one. So now observe, when you are initiating the order, we are sending good information like what is the first one? Key. What is the key we are using? Next one, the amount as well as success function and failure function. Now tell me, these are sufficient or we need to send other information also? This information is sufficient or do we require any other information also? We are sending four parameters, or what are the parameters? The test mode, means test key or live key. Next one, amount, success function, as well as what's our failure function, or success URL or failure URL. Guys, we are forgetting one simple information. What is the information we need, sir? Order ID. What is the information, sir? Order ID. Now tell me, these are the requirements or not? For every merchant, only one transaction will going on simultaneously or multiple transactions, sir? For the Flipkart, only one order is going to be created or multiple orders create simultaneously, sir? At the same time, multiple orders can be created. So I want to track this transaction for which order. That is why, what are the parameters I need to send to the payment gateway? What are the parameters, sir? What is the first one? The payment, means the IPA key. What is the next one? Amount, as well as what's sir? Success or failure, as well as what's sir? Order ID. And like user details like user ID and email, phone number, those details also I will send, sir. So this is the way we are going to track our the information. Now, sir, let me please show me the code. Very simple. Observe. What is the code, sir? Constant. What is the key here? Test key and the amount and what is the currency. And you can observe here what are the details I am sending, sir. What are the details I am sending? Name as well as what's the description, and I can configure the checkout page also, logo, order details, or ID. And in the same way, observe, nodes, theme color. You can configure your own theme color. What is the next one, sir? Options, success handler, as well as the failure handler. And once the configuration is ready, what we are calling? We are calling or we are writing the logic, sir, or we are using the logic. We are calling or we are calling or we are writing the logic, sir, payment gateway logic, using the logic. So right now, simply we are calling what's a razorpay.open. So let me show you. Confirm order. See, sir. Now tell me, this one is customizable. Do you agree with this statement? This one is also customizable, and this logo is also customizable. Now I am asking the question: this interface you develop or payment gateway is providing? This interface you are developing or payment gateway is providing? Think and tell me, sir. Payment gateway is providing, and in the same way, see how many banks it is supporting, sir. So many banks right now. Is it is it possible to write all this logic, on yourself or developer itself? Developer itself. Is it possible, sir? Virtually, it is possible. No, sir. Why? Because again, he needs to have the good idea about what's integrating with all these technologies. And in the same way, observe, and every day there are new payment gateway integrations, or new payment processing is are coming. Now tell me, a new wallet will come at the time. Observe, and we need to update our payment process or no? It is not a one time activity. In future, a new wallet came at the time. What I need to do? Again, I need to write the code for that integration or not? Now tell me, suppose phone pay is there. So in future, Amazon pay is came, and in the same way, likewise, Google pay or WhatsApp pay. So these kind of things will come under. Now tell me, it is always standard or it is changing by the times? It is changing by times. That is why we never ever write this kind of code in our application. We always use what's a payment gateway. But what is the problem with this one, sir? What is the problem with this one? What is the problem with this one? Very good, Dilip. It's not free, sir. It's not free. We need to pay for each and every transaction. Certain paisa we need to pay to the, for each and every rupee we are getting. We need to give the money to the payment gateway for providing these services. For providing these services, there are so many services they are providing, sir. Let me show you. So see here, we can see all the offers, and as well as we can create offers for them. See here, sir. irrespective of the order amount. As buddy, based on it is not about the order amount, the integration is available for all of. So right now, this is the way, and it is also available with WhatsApp. It is also available with. Is it free registering? Yes, buddy, it is free. You can register and you can work it out. That's what I am telling. That is your job for today, and tomorrow, and the next related one. So offers. Maximum uses is per the code starts immediately. You can set the offer expiration time also. There are so many sites are there like pay you money. You can do this one. There are so many sites are there, but it is easy, sir. With this one, I feel it is very easy. That is why I am providing this one. So let me see whether it is coming or not. See, sir, you can observe now. Observe offer applied and how much I save, sir? 10 rupees. And what is the payment money? 990. I am asking one simple question. Did you write even a single line to apply this offer, sir, or to provide this offer related functionality? No, sir. But you are able to provide this behavior to all your customers or not? And how many times this offer is going to be applied? This kind of activity, are you writing any single line of code, sir? No, I'm not writing any of this. But you are able to access the functionality or not? You are able to configure the functionality or not? Tell me it is powerful, right? Is it powerful? Yes, sir. It is very powerful. That is what I am telling. So right now, all of you need need this knowledge, sir. Why I require this knowledge? Because most of the companies right now, digital payments are they are accepting. So whenever they are expecting a digital payment, so every developer need to have a basic knowledge about what, sir, how the payment gateway will work. So this is the way I'm going to register. So very simple. How many lines of code you are writing, sir? How many lines of code you are writing? Only few lines. Only few lines. So this is about Angular integration. I agree with that. Sir, how about server program? How about server program? So let me show you. This is the payment gateway process. Observe here, sir. What is the first one? I click on the confirm. Now it will go to your server program. Server program communicate with what, sir? Razorpay. Razorpay will return the order ID. This order ID I am giving to the UI. Now UI is displaying what is the web page, sir? Checkout page. Now user do the payment. Now your Razorpay will return what, sir? What is the payment ID, what is the order ID, what is the signature. So these are the details it will return. These are the details it will return. Now I am asking the question right now, sir, how to write the server code. So let me show you. Docs, Razorpay documentation. That is what you need to do. Suppose now you have the knowledge on what Razorpay. Suppose in the future they will ask you some other question, sir. The interviewer may ask you, do you know how to integrate with the pay you money? At that time, do you say no, or do you have the you have the knowledge on the process? Sir, I have the knowledge on the process how to integrate with the payment gateway. I can work with what pay you money. What is the processor? Register with the pay you money, get the keys and configure in your application and follow the process provided by the pay you money. So right now, let me show you quick integration. Integrations. Sir, how to write the server side processing for this one? So right now, observe client side JS integration is there, web integration is there. Right now, I am configuring the JS integration, and as well as observe here, very simple one. What are the server side provided languages, sir? PHP integration is available at the server side, and Ruby, Python, as well as what, sir? .NET also. So let me show you. If I click on the .NET related docs, you will see the sample code. Sir, how to write this code? This is what they are going to provide. They will provide you each and every detail, sir. And the same way, they are providing what, sir? A simple application for with the .NET. You can download and you can verify the code. And in the same way, for the Java also, it is available. For the Java also, it is available. And you can see the simple documentation. This is the Maven dependency we need to write. And observe, this is the Razorpay client ID and as well as what's the secret. Now I am able to do this one. Now everything is ready. Transaction and create the order. And sir, I do like to have a code. Very simple. Click on the sample application and click on what's it? This one. Automatically the download will start. The example for Razorpay with the Java integration. So right now I showed you the client integration, sir. Right now I showed you the client integration. The same way I need to write the code in my server side also. So this is what as a programmer we are going to write in our application. So this is what you need to tell in the interview how to do this processing. So my suggestion is go to this page and read for at least few minutes or few hours. Then you can understand the real world integrations. So again, I'm telling this is what real time programming, not like hello world program. Usually you will learn in the Amirpet classes. Do you agree with the statement? Like Hyundai car and Maruti car have 5 gears and Hyundai car having 6 gears. Number of gears it will return. Hyundai car return 5 gears. Maruti car return 4 gears. This is what polymorphism. This kind of examples, if you say A class is there, A class extends by B class, this kind of examples you are telling in the interview, interviewer thinks that what he is telling actually, what is the information he wants to convey with me. This is what happening, sir. But instead of, if you say like this, sir, I implemented the razor pay in my project, obviously he will get interested about your answer. He will ask you about, tell me few details, sir. What are the details you are going to say? Simply draw this diagram. What is the diagram we are having, sir? Let me show you this.